Hello, how to solve for s and y in this equation. S plus y is equal to 4. Sy is equal to 30. Solution. Here, s plus y is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 30. Let us call this equation 2. Then from this equation 1, s plus y is equal to 4. Now y is equal to 4 minus x. Let us call this equation 3. Then from this equation 2, xy is equal to 30. At this point, we can now substitute for y here. And y is 4 minus x. X bracket 4 minus x, close the bracket, is equal to 30. Let's open the bracket. X multiplied by 4, that is 4x, minus x multiplied by x squared is equal to 30. Now this can be written as minus x squared plus 4x. If you take this 30 to this side, it becomes minus 30 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus x squared divided by minus 1, this is x squared, plus 4x divided by minus 1, this is minus 4x, minus 30 divided by minus 1, this is plus 30, is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, then over 2a. From this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 30. X is equal to minus bracket minus 4, we close the bracket, plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 30 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 4. This is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 30. 4 times 0, that is 0. And 4 times 3, that is 12, 120. Over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 120. That is minus 104 over 2. Then S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 104 can be written as 4 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 26 over 2. Then this is the same thing as 4 plus or minus, here we have square root of 4 multiplied by square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of 26 over 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 4. That is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I. Then multiply by square root of 26 over 2 is the same thing as 4 plus or minus 2I square root of 26 over 2. S is equal to 2 over 2 bracket 2 plus or minus I square root of 26 bracket. Then these two cancel these two. S is equal to 2 plus or minus I square root of 26. Therefore, x1 is equal to 2 plus I square root of 26, and s2 is 2 minus I square root of 26. These are the values of x. We've gotten the values of x. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 3, then y is equal to 4 minus x. Now here, y1 is equal to 4 minus s1 is 2 plus I square root of 26. y1 is equal to 4 minus, if you open the bracket with negative, we have 2 minus I square root of 26. y1 is equal to 4 minus 2. This is 2 minus I square root of 26. This is the value of y1. Then y2 is equal to 4 minus s2. y2 is equal to 4 minus 2 minus I square root of 26. y2 is equal to 4 minus 2 plus I square root of 26. y2 is equal to 4 minus 2. This is 2 plus I square root of 26. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 2 plus I square root of 26, 2 minus I square root of 26. S2, y2 is equal to 2 minus I square root of 26, 2 plus I square root of 26. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S plus y is equal to 4. Sy is equal to 30. Now let's consider this using either automatic